We'll guide you through how to fix the iPhone selfie camera flipping problem. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because when you go and take a photo or a selfie on the front camera, you then go and find that it's flipped, so it doesn't look as it looks in the preview, and you want it to go and be the same. So if I go and open up the camera app now, we'll go and flip the camera. Here I am. Let me go and take a selfie. We'll then go and see that it's gone and flipped, as you can see, and I want it to go and be the same. So what you need to do is you need to come out of the camera app and you need to go and open up your iPhone settings. Here they are. Here, you need to go and find camera. So you can use a search at the bottom or just scroll down, it isn't far, and tap on it. And in here, you need to go and scroll down and look for the setting, mirror front camera. So it will then go and act as a mirror and be exactly the same. So what we can do is go and open it up. Now, if I come back to the camera, here we are. I'll go and take a selfie. Now, if I go and preview it, you can go and see it's exactly the same. It's not flipped anymore. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.